Hi crafty friends, this is Sylvia. Hope everyone is having a wonderful day and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on a company called Crafty's. Okay, Crafty's Diamond Art Kit. It's a nice cute looking box. Okay, it came a little crushed here, but that's okay. As long as it protects the painting, that's what matters. Okay, what else about them? They sell diamond paintings. And they also sell paint by numbers, and they also do custom made. And they do custom made for diamond painting or for paint by numbers, which is pretty cool. Okay, so let's open up this baby. I bought this a while back. So let's see. Let's open this baby up. Let's get the drills out and the toolkit aside. Okay, and voila! Look at how gorgeous she is, guys. Look at her. Okay, up here on the top says Crafty's. At the bottom, www.crafty's.com. Facebook and Instagram at Crafty's brand. Okay, so and then it's got the schematic or the legend on the right upper hand side. Okay, and it tells you the name, and this one's called the Flowered Hat, and the size is 45 by 45 centimeters. And let's see, because I think 45 is the whole thing, but not the painting. I think that looks like because it looks pretty small. So let's see. Yep, the painting is almost 40 by 40 centimeters, so the whole thing around it is 45 by 45 centimeters, but the painting itself is 40 by 40. Okay, and it's got, let's see, it's got 28 colors. Okay, and I believe two of them, I think it's this one, 007 and 009, are special. I don't know if they're ABs or crystals, but they're special sparkly. Okay, they're ultra star AB diamonds. That's what it says. What I don't know what that exactly that means, but we will find out. Okay, let's see if she's sticky. Oh yeah, very sticky, very clear. Let me bring her up so you can see how clear she is. Look at that. See, you can see the symbols very clearly. Very nice. And look at that beautiful bun and those flowers. She's got black and gray hair, and she's got a beautiful black hat. That's why it's called the Flowered Hat. And then she's got beautiful flowers on the hat, and she's very pretty, guys. Look at those eyes. Look at that beautiful mouth, the lips, and of course, look at the necklace. I definitely have to bling that out. And then you got flower petals falling down, and then as you can see here, it's like, I think that's part of her dress. It's like a black dress. Okay, and so let's see. The special drills is the plus sign and the arrow pointing up, and as you can see, she's got lots of pluses here. So I guess she's got bling around her eyelids, on her cheeks, on the flowers, on the petals. So I look at it and I go, what can I bling? So maybe her necklace, guys. We could bling her necklace, and maybe some more sparkles on the flowers. Oh, this is gonna look gorgeous. And I love all this magenta and the gray. So basically the magenta, it brings the shade of gray out. Like it makes it pop out. It's absolutely gorgeous. And love the size, perfect size. Okay, so let's turn this baby around and let's look at the special kit. It's the usual, guys. 2 pens. Okay, 2 waxes. I call these scrunchies. 2 scrunchies. They're for the pen, so when you work on them, it helps your hands. A tweezer, not very sharp tweezers, but they will come handy when you need them. And a tray. Okay, let's look at the colors. Let's see. They're nice. They're they're by numbers. You see, 1, 2, 3. So this is nice. So we have lots of like, it's like a plum, purple, blues, all kinds of blues and grays, blue grays. I think that's the black for her hair and probably for her dress. Pinks, pinks and grays, lots of pinks, magenta, gray, pinks, more pinks. So you have, of this color, you have 1, 2, 3, 3 of those. No, 4. No, 3. This is a different color. Okay, it's like a very light peach. I don't know, maybe for her face. And here we have the special drill. See how shiny that is? Very nice. Okay, and then you have browns, tans, more grays. And there goes the other special drill. It's definitely for the flowers. That's what it looks like. Okay, and then you have some white. And that's it, guys. So this is going to look stunning when it's finished. Okay, and don't be afraid, guys, to add bling to it, okay? Remember, if you add bling and you don't like the way it looks, so you change it. That's all. So let's put that around the colors. I don't know if you can see that, but that's it, guys. Have a wonderful day, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.